Assalamu alaikum guys, so welcome back my YouTube channel. My name is Shoaib and you are watching my YouTube channel. So let's start our new topic, interpersonal skills methodology. The purpose of the paper is to develop and appreciate of everyday communication challenges that face managers and employees in the workplace and advanced way that communication problems in companies and organization can be averted. Furthermore, the paper sets out of how to contribute to exist knowledge and in the field and to serve as reference to researchers, scholars, and companies and organizations. Quality research's method was used, which is in the history in the theory of symbolic. The theory assumes that people are constantly in a process of interpretation and definition as they move quickly through various situations which they are move orals familiars. In so doing people develop shared perspective through social interaction. It is this social reaction that determines the effectiveness or failure of communication in the workplace. Depending upon whether or not the manager employs or good communication skills. Moreover, qualitative research is designed to reveal a target audience range of behavior and the perceptions that drive it. With reference to specific topics or issues, the descriptive results of the paper are consistent with the qualitative research method. To this and a review of newspaper and journal articles was conducted to investigate the topic. Secondary resources include books and periodicals in library holding plus websites to explore contributes by online experts and organizations. These resources were used to complete a text analyze and as well as a thorough analysis and interpretations of the subject under investigation. The paper attempted to address five topics. The first topic was to delineate or identify workforce communication problems. The second topic was to look at interval communication problems in management. The third topic examined favoritism from the point of view of breeding communication problems. The fourth topic reviewed leadership and communications problems, and topic fifth assessed a way by which a company or organization can minimize communications problems by embarking on creating a climate that fosters and open communications. Next one. Topic on one examine that the root causes of communication in the workplace, which includes audience understanding and message. Topic two looked at the importance of developing trust, understanding, collaboration, and relation building in a company or organized. Third, topic 3 studied at the extent to which favoritism and nepotism contributes to organizational communication problems. Topic 4 considers styles of leadership and their impact on communication problems in companies, organization. And 5 topic examines way to lay and the foundation of minimization communication of problems. It is a dead style of Leadership determined the effectiveness of management communication. Writing about leadership in the publication Harvard Business Review highlights complaints by employees levied against their managers as a result of communication problems. The writer questions the kind of boss who fails to make genuine connection with direct reports. So guys, our video complete here. I hope you will enjoy my video. Okay, we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.